Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be replacing my old shrink wrap on my canvas heads with new shrink wrap, and this little gadget here is my heated gun, which I'll be using to attach the shrink wrap to the head to give that melt effect. And this is the shrink wrap bag that I got from Amazon, and I just have some scissors. And first we're going to start off with taking off our old shrink wrap. Then I like to go in and put my new shrink wrap on and get it all adjusted to how I want to melt it onto my canvas head. And I just take my heated gun, and it has two levels. You can put it on low, which is 1, and you can put it on high, which is the two lines. And I like to put mine on high, and you don't want to have it too close to the canvas head because it will melt a hole into the shrink wrap. And you want to keep the heated gun moving throughout the process, because if you keep it in one place too long, once again it will melt a hole. And I do like these up and down motions. You want to move the gun the way you want the direction that you want the shrink wrap to go in. So I move the gun like up and down, and it brings the shrink wrap downwards to the bottom, so I can just cut off that excess in the end. And once I've gotten a really good melt, I let it cool a little bit, and then I just cut the excess shrink wrap off of the bottom. So when I'm making my wigs, that little plastic area will not be in the way. So I just go ahead and cut that off so I can have access to the bottom area of the canvas head where I can put the canvas on my stand. Alright, so you all are getting a 2-for-1 today. I'm actually going to redo the shrink wrap on my second canvas head that I really felt needed to be rewrapped. So I'm just doing the same thing as I did in the first process of the canvas head that I did previously. And I'm just making sure that I keep that heated gun a little distance away from my canvas head so I don't burn a hole while I'm trying to melt the shrink wrap. And I'm just moving the heat gun in the direction that I want the shrink wrap to flow, so it could, like, the excess shrink wrap can move towards the bottom to give that sleek look throughout the canvas head without the bulkiness. And I know the little ear tabs at the top that usually come on the canvas, the shrink wrap bags, they're kind of hard to form, so I just melt those as flat as I can and then move the rest of the shrink wrap to the bottom. And of course, once it's melted to my liking, I just take my pair of scissors and cut off the excess plastic, and it's easy to cut after it has cooled. And there you are. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.